Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your HP printer acting up again? And this time by not printing? That's another common issue every HP printer owner might face sometimes. But the good news is, it's pretty easy to solve. This issue commonly arises due to a change in default settings, outdated printer drivers, or printer jobs stuck in the queue. In today's video, we'll look into these three issues and fix them. For one-on-one assistance, call us at the numbers displayed. If you're sticking with the video, let's get started. Method 1. Set printer as default printer. Go to your computer, click on the Start menu. Now, search for printers and scanners and click on Open. Scroll down to the option that says Let Windows manage my default printer and uncheck the box. Next, scroll back up, find your HP printer from the list of available printers and click on Manage. Finally, select the Set as Default option. If setting the printer to the default printer fixed the issue, subscribe to our channel. If the printer is still not printing, let's check if there are pending print jobs to cancel. Method 2. Cancel all HP printer jobs. On your computer, click on the printer icon in the bottom right corner. Note, if you don't see the printer icon, click on the small arrow to see hidden icons. In the new Windows, right-click on any pending HP print job and select Cancel from the list of actions. When the confirmation box pops up, click on Yes to confirm. Note, also make sure to cancel each pending print job one by one. For more videos on HP printer issues, please tell us your issues in the comments. If the error still persists, let's check for printer driver updates. Method 3. Update printer driver. First, click on the Start menu, type Device Manager and open it. In the Device Manager window, find and expand the Print Queues section. Now, find your printer in the list. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the Update Driver window, choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then check for latest updates and install them for you.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.